Iphini likamengameli wezwe u-U-Mashatile usecela abantu bakuleli kuba bathenge imikhiqizo yakuleli.
We must make our products the first choice in whatever we do, produced by big or small businesses, but we must make them our first choice. Shopping locally has an incredible ripple effect. This is because every local transaction has a ripple effect that extends beyond our comprehension. By purchasing locally produced food and other goods, consumers support their local economy.
U-Mashatile ke uphinde wabalula nezinkinga ezikhungethe i-Eskom kanye nomthelela walokho emkhakheni wamabhizinisi.
Without dependable electricity, businesses will definitely struggle to operate and may be forced to invest in costly generators and other backup power sources. This might increase prices and make it difficult for firms to compete internationally. We as government are determined to address this issue and make sure that we invest in reliable energy infrastructure, ensure that there are renewable energy sources to give businesses the necessary energy they need to grow their businesses.
Iphini likamengameli lithi umnotho wakuleli ungumgogodlo wokwakha isizwe esiphumelelayo.